Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I want to share something that happened earlier that honestly just stopped me in my tracks. It was so timely. I'm always experimenting with new ways to work with AI, but this particular one feels a little bit different. It's called ChatPulse. And the easiest way to think about it is this. Imagine every conversation you have with AI leaves behind a heartbeat, a living log that captures what you accomplished and what still needs to be done and where you're heading next. That heartbeat keeps your whole system alive and moving forward. So in this episode, I'm going to explain what ChatPulse is, how it showed up in my work or workflow over the weekend, and why I think it's something every creator and entrepreneur should start paying attention to. Let's start with what is ChatPulse. Start simple. ChatPulse is a framework. I've been testing it inside of ChatGPT. Every time I work on a project, instead of leaving the conversation behind and starting fresh, trying to figure out where I was, ChatPulse creates a kind of rhythm. It logs four things: wins, what we finished or nailed down; carryovers, what's not yet done, but still matters; next pulse, what the very next step should be; ecosystem health, a check-in on how the overall system is holding together. That's it, just 4 points. But the effect is huge and much needed, at least in my case. Instead of projects slipping through the cracks, I now have a living record. It's like AI is keeping time for me, making sure the beat never stops. So, how I used it. Here's where it got real for me. Earlier today, I was working on my 5 levels of AI series. You've probably heard me talk about this, and I'll be covering it in future podcasts and videos, where I break down AI from simple tools all the way to hybrid ecosystems. As I went slide by slide, level by level, ChatPulse kept logging the journey. For level 1, it marked the wins. The slides were clean. The narration script was ready. For level 2, it flagged the carryovers, breaks down dense slides, adds some visuals. And then for level 3, it set the next pulse, move into creative collaboration. And at the end, it gave me a quick readout on my ecosystem health. Basically, you're consistent, momentum is building, stay the course. I didn't have to create that log. It didn't have to pause and reflect. It just happened naturally inside the conversation. That's when I realized this isn't just a log, it's an engine for momentum. So why does this matter? Here's the bigger picture. Most of us creators and entrepreneurs are juggling 5, 10, 20 moving parts. Notes scattered across Notion, half-written scripts in Google Docs, stray ideas buried in Slack threads. ChatPulse offers a heartbeat across it all. Imagine if every project, every initiative you're building had this living rhythm, always capturing wins, carryovers, next steps, and health. That's not just note-taking. That's operational clarity. And if you zoom out, you can see where this goes. ChatPulse could be mapped into Notion dashboards. It could become a Shopify framework for creators. It could evolve into a sellable digital product. But even right now, in its simplest form, it's already a game changer for focus and momentum. So here's where I'll leave it. ChatPulse isn't some flashy new tool. It's a way of working, a rhythm, a heartbeat. If you're experimenting with AI, try to imagine your conversations leaving behind a pulse. Wins, carryovers, next pulse, ecosystem health. It'll change how you see progress. I'll keep sharing my own experiments as this develops. In the meantime, if you want to follow along, check out my Substack, where I'll be posting an article, and YouTube, where I'm building all this in public. Links are in the show notes. Thanks for listening, and remember, keep your systems alive, keep your heartbeat steady, and keep moving forward.